How to activate mechanical keyboard sounds on any keyboard. The distinctive sound of a mechanical keyboard is cherished by many enthusiasts. Numerous individuals opt to invest in mechanical keyboards solely for the satisfying clicky sound they produce during typing. While replicating this clicky effect on a regular keyboard may seem unattainable, there exists software that facilitates the incorporation of typing sounds on any keyboard. To achieve this, one can employ a software called MacWipes, specifically designed to enable keyboard sounds on a Windows computer. To initiate the process, download MacWipes from its GitHub page and execute the software. Upon successful download, launch MacWipes, and proceed to select your desired key set. The software generally encompasses sounds for all the Cherry MX keys, and in its latest version, additional sound effects have been incorporated. Users have the flexibility to choose the sound that appeals to them the most. Subsequently, adjust the volume settings according to personal preference. Once these steps are completed, allow the application to run in the system tray. By doing so,